Hi, my name is Rebecca Lee, and I co-wrote this book, the Mercury Detoxication Manual with Andy Cutler, PhD, who I always say should have got the Nobel Prize for what he figured out. So this morning on Dr. Mercola, there was an article about Charlie Brown and the banning of dental amalgam and the Minimata Convention. I posted a comment saying that was nice, but cold comfort to all the people who are already poisoned. This led me to remember the preface to the Detox Manual, where Andy Cutler says the following. The United Nations Program on the Environment has recently created the Minimata Convention on Mercury on October 10, 2013. 128 countries have signed it, and 71 have ratified it. The mines will be closed and mercury banned. Future generations will now be protected from the ravages of mercury. The bureaucrats and diplomats are congratulating themselves on a job well done. In the meantime, the World Health Organization has gotten exemption to the Minimata Convention so that they continue giving mercury-laden V's to children all over the third world. In the first world, doctors are giving their patients more mercury every year in V's, dental amalgam, eye and ear drops. Mercurial antiseptics continue to be popular and for sale in most countries. Still, things look good for future generations, but what about you right now? What if your doctor or dentist didn't get the message in time and poisoned you right up to the gills with mercury? The Minimata Convention certainly isn't going to help you very much. Thousands of people have had dramatic recoveries from chronic illnesses like multiple sclerosis, autism, diabetes, and many other conditions using the frequent low-dose chelation protocol we spell out in this book. This information has been out there for 20 years. No other method of detoxifying heavy metals works half as well. Yet the bureaucrats keep worrying about their treaties, and the activists about the governments, and the doctors tout expensive therapies that don't work and are, at the worst, actually harmful. So if you're sick with any of the hundreds of conditions that mercury causes, it's time for you to use this book and recover your health. So please like and share this video and all those good things you're supposed to do. Also, do go take a look at my online workshop. This video-based workshop will allow you to absorb all the details of the Andy Cutler protocol while you are chopping vegetables or cleaning up your place. Or if you are in really bad shape from this insidious poison, you can listen to it while you are lying down wondering if you will ever get better. Follow the Andy Cutler follow the Andy Cutler protocol, and you will get better.